I love working with my hands, the tactile nature of the process.
My background is in hand knitting. I love to do puzzles, see what the yarn is telling me it wants to do.
It's an interaction between many things. It's you, it's the loom, it's the yarn, of course. So there's a lot of conversations happening, and that in the end creates a product.
I know sometimes it doesn't come out the way you want it to come out. However, even from that, you can learn a lot.
I was looking at the psychology behind wearing bright colors, and it can improve your day if you're having a bad day. Being able to express that through fabrics is really fun to me.
These small threads add up in a very special way with different qualities, and then later on applied in so many different ways.
The most exciting resource that we have at school is an array of yarns, and so many of them. It just shows you the possibilities.
We have possibly every machine that's needed to create a great portfolio, or even more.
We have hand looms and floor looms. We have 3 Jacquard looms, all with different warps and harness drafts.
There is a wide range of knitting machines and, of course, a whole set of software that is used in the industry.
I think the really old looms really help you explore an idea. When you do go to the power loom, I feel like it's more in the power loom's hands. Both are really exciting and endless possibilities.
It's not all creativity. There is a technical side to it. We learn the machines, the way to program them, which textiles do work and which don't work. Those do give you certain limits, but it also prepares you for the real world.
Every spring, we take part in the ITA Virginia Jackson Design Competition. It gives you an insight into what the industry experts are thinking about you as a designer, if what you're making really makes sense in the outside world.
I think the program gives us necessary skill set to create collections that tell the story and how to design textile for a particular client and use.
Community space at Jefferson, coming in as a graduate student, has been beneficial because I get to see not only the other grad students' work, but also the undergraduates. And the work that I'm seeing inspires me to work harder and to try different things.
We're a small community, but I think that's better because we're being honest with each other. We're very close-knit.
We all feel absolutely comfortable asking even silly questions, and we know that we can get help.
Even though I like the little...
It's really fascinating, also kind of scary because you have so much power to make this fabric and make it environmentally friendly, something that people want to buy. With our courses and our studios, we're taught to design for others. We're still expressing ourselves, but we're also satisfying customers or consumers.
I think this program really gives you a lot of opportunity to keep trying things, exploring materials. There's a lot of challenging projects that you do, and it informs your aesthetic. The chance to keep making is really what's the most important thing that I've found to be really helpful here.